Salam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Basarah binti Zulkifli. My metric number is 63724. I will talk about the reflection about the previous presentation. So firstly, I will talk about the factors controlling the saltiness of seawater. The group that present this presentation divided the factors into four ocean, which are Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Mediterranean Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean. So the factors affecting the saltiness of water depends on the geography. Geography. So, firstly, when in Atlantic Ocean, I will talk about the factors that affect the salinity of water in Atlantic Ocean. So, in Atlantic Ocean, the temperature is low, so the evaporation rate will be very low. So, the amount of water that been vapored into the air is low too. So the salinity of water will be low too. Carbon cycle. From what I've learned, carbon cycle is a process in which carbon travels from the atmosphere into the organism and the earth, and then back into the atmosphere. Plants take carbon dioxide to do photosynthesis, and then animals will eat the plant and store the carbon inside the body and then release it into the atmosphere through respiration. Okay, about nitrogen cycle, I learned that nitrogen cycle is a biochemical cycle by which nitrogen is converted into the atmosphere into various chemical form into the atmosphere, then terrestrial and marine ecosystem. Nitrogen plays an important role in our life because it acts as something that gives nutrient to plants. Next is sulfur cycle. Sulfur cycle is a collection of processes by which sulfur moves to and from minerals and living system. Sulfur is important to aquatic living for their growth, but it also can cause harmful to the environment. For example, sulfur dioxide, it will cause respiratory disease, and sulfur also can cause acid rain, which is very harmful to the aquatic life as it will increase the pH value of seawater. Okay. It's limiting nutrient in aquatic ecosystem. So it mostly can be found in land, rock, and soil. But over enrichment of phosphorus can lead to algae blooms, which also can cause eutrophication of marine system. Okay, lastly, I will talk about silicon cycle. Silicon cycle play an important role in biogeochemical cycle. It helps the other cycle to function well and also provide food for phytoplanktons. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Conclusion from the overall presentation, I can conclude that all the groups had done a very good job, and I understand more about the effects, the factors, and how the cycle works. Phosphorus cycle, carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, salinity of seawater, carbon cycle, and lastly, I want to thank to all my friends, and especially Dr. Farah for conducting this presentation. Okay, have fun.